ilang linggong pagsasanay para sa ating mga kabataan. Ito yung sinanay sila sa iba't ibang kasanayang pangkomunikasyon o different communication crafts. And this includes speaking, reading, reciting, dancing, singing, and others. And this afternoon, we will be witnessing the different activities that they have learned in that workshop. Now, indeed, this is a very laudable project or laudable endeavor initiated by Magallanes Central Elementary School for the first time, as we have heard a while ago from our MCs, that this is the realization of their dream. Isang pangarap na naging totoo ngayong hapon. Masasaksihan natin ang iba't ibang palabas na inihanda nila para sa ating lahat. At ito ay naging matagumpay dahil na rin sa pangunguna ng kanilang aktibo at masigasig na punong guro na si Ginang Salvacion Paitos, na siyang sumunod sa datihang punong guro na si Ginoong Ramonito Alba, na ngayon ay isang district supervisor. Naririto siya ngayon sa ating kalagitnaan. Now, this activity is a very good avenue for the development and training